Okay, this is how I assemble my boxes. I've got my joinery cut. I'm using Hoffmann Dovetail keys. The particular keys I'm using for this small box are these 14mm W1 keys. They're fairly small. They actually come much smaller than this. These are the smallest dovetail keys Hoffmann makes. As an example, this is it compared to the largest they make in the W1 key, so it's significantly larger. They make a W2 key, which is physically larger than that, and a W3 key that's larger than the W2. They also make a W4 key. My machine won't do that because it needs a significantly larger motor. But I'm going to show you how I put this thing apart. I've marked the tops or marked the bottoms so I don't inadvertently get things turned around. So I'm going to join two pieces like this with the dovetail keys, and then I'm going to come over to the other side and do that. Then I'll insert the top and bottom, which I've protected with my stretch wrap, and already applied the felt to the plywood. So here's how I assemble this. Try not to get too much glue on this joint because it just creates a mess. And the beauty of the Hoffmann dovetail keys is that it's self-clamping. I will note that there are some ridges on the Hoffmann keys. You'll probably see them curling up around the edges, but I'm not sure the camera was good enough to show that. And there goes one for the sweeper. Okay, so now I got my two pieces. And my top is up, and this is my top side. Make sure the felt goes in the inside. And it fits fairly snugly. Now I'll put my bottom in. Also, if you have any glue squeeze out, and I didn't on this one, now would be a good time to clean that up. So now I'm applying glue to these other two joints. Just rub across them with a finger. It's okay if glue gets in the dovetail keys. It won't hurt anything, but I don't think it really helps either. Then I'll assemble this box together. Posted a different video on how I cut these particular dovetails. The machine I used was a Hoffmann MU2, and now I've got another box assembled and ready to go on to my third. So if you have any questions, please post them and I'll do my best to answer. Thank you for watching. That's how fast it is to cut dovetail keys for box construction.